डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हम एविडेंसेस ऑफ ऑर्गेनिक इवोल्यूशन स्टडी कर रहे हैं और उसका हमने लास्ट लेक्चर लिया था होमोलोगस ऑर्गन्स दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स डाइवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन। आज बेटा हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एनालोगस ऑर्गन्स दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स convergent evolution. Analogous organs are those organs having different basic structures, different origins, but these organs perform similar physiological functions. Analogous organs are explained by giving some suitable examples. Example number first, wings of insects and birds. In case of, ये देख रहे हैं हम, in case of wings of insects, these are simple membranous fiber-like lifeless structures which are extension of skin integument that gets extended, and the functioning of the wing is under control of muscles which are present at basal parts, while in case of wing of birds, these are made up of bones, feathers, blood vessels. So many bones are present, like humerus bone in upper part, radius ulna, carpus, carpometacarpus. But on the basis of functions, whether the wings of insects or the wings of birds meant for flight. Example number next, fins of fishes and flippers of whales and seals are meant for swimming purpose, but in case of flippers are modified forelimbs. These are pentadactyl structures which get modified into swimming structures, while in case of fins of fishes are not pentadactyl limbs. Their basic structure as well as origin quite different from the flippers of whales and seals. Next example, sting of honeybees and scorpion. Sting in case of honeybees or scorpion meant for protection defense का काम करेंगे बच्चों. In case of honeybee, ये देख रहे हैं हम जो female worker which is sterile honeybee, the last abdominal segment, that part is ovipositor, egg apparatus, because the honeybee female worker that is sterile, no function, and that egg apparatus ovipositor gets modified into a sting, while in case of scorpion, the sting, that is last abdominal segment that gets modified into a sting for defense purpose. Next example of analogous organs, trachea of insects and lungs of vertebrates. On the basis of physiology, the lungs or trachea, they perform similar functions, but on the basis of internal structure, origin, development, these are quite different. In case of insects, the trachea, these are ectodermal in origin, while in case of vertebrate lungs, these are endodermal origin. Some more examples of analogous organs. Point number 5th, cephalopod, that is a mollusk, and in case of vertebrate, eyes. Eyes of cephalopod and vertebrate, these are analogous organs. As in case of vertebrate eye, the entire retina that develops as an outgrowth from the embryonic brain, while in case of cephalopods, the entire eye that is an integumentary in origin as it develops from skin. Next example, petechia of Draco, that is a reptile, and in case of bat, that is a mammal. Both petechia, whether it is a case of Draco or in case of bat, these are meant for flight purposes, but these are different in origin and different in structures. As in case of Draco, the petechia, that is an extension of skin and it is well supported by the ribs, thoracic ribs. In case of bats, the entire petechia is an extension of skin and it is supported by forelimbs. Next example, leaf of plants and cladodes of Fuscus. As we know, the entire leaf, in case of all plants, that develops from a node, it is simple an extension of this stem and it always possesses an axillary bud. But in case of ruscus, this leaf-like structure, it is not a leaf, it is a photosynthetic structure, that is cladode, it is a modified stem. It always arises in the axil of a scale leaf. Scale leaf here, it is a vestigial organ, it is non-functional, and this cladode, this as well as the simple leaf, they perform same function, means these are analogous organs. It is always develops from a node point and it develops from the axil of a scale leaf. It means both are on the basis of anatomy development, these are different structures. Next example, tendril of pea plant and tendril of cucurbita. In case of Cucurbitaceae family, the tendrils, these thread-like structures are stem modifications, but in case of pea plant, the tendrils, these climbing structures are leaflet modifications. ठीक है बच्चों, ये सब एग्जाम्पल्स थे एनालॉगस ऑर्गन्स के और आपके नोट्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में हमने डाल दिए। थैंक यू।